Alright, go for it.
Alright, now you can sing.
Oh my God, the refrigerator! Oh, I got the 2 temperature controls on it. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so nice. Whoa! I don't care if you go in my bedroom. I don't care. Whoa! I need to go to Bethel. I need new wine.
Gotta go to bed and get new wine.
Put my Jamba Juice card in my wallet right
Yep.
now.
Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, shoot. Like I said, oh, and there's a open box too.
Now I'm excited about the card.
You like your
I like
your
Christmas.
wine caddy?
Best gift ever. Okay, second best gift
I saw that. I said, oh, I'm getting this for Todd.
This is awesome.
I'm so excited.
I can see Gigi with this. I didn't have enough time to send it to you to put on your tree.
Nice, so I'm gonna start from there. I love it. I'm like, oh my
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, you finally got around to saying thank
Jazz.
That's
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, stop basking in the refrigerator. Okay, you a woman after my own heart. I got a to-go wine cup. Yep.
I guess it worked.
My refrigerator. Hey, I love y'all. You can put your Jamba Juice in there.
On your way to rehab.
Alright, we done. Merry Christmas, y'all.